I want to get real stupid, I'll go stage 3.
It's a ton of fun, so let's go. Shan, the first stunt man coming out here on his Yamaha MT-07. A little bit different. Shan says it's wheelie time. He's clutching that thing up. Just making it look easy. This nice small area of that bike. Again, the Yamaha MT-07, 700 cc's of torque, coming at you, nice sit-down wheelie, feeling things out. We're 30 here in a couple of weeks, Paige catching up, but Shannon said, let's go, clutching that thing up, working that handbrake right now. Gonna do a nice perimeter check here. He's gonna go all the way around this place. Again, no front tire needed, just using his hips, steering that bike, actuating the brakes. Come on, Arizona, make some noise for him as he comes back through. Turning that Yamaha to a unicycle right now. No front tire, no problem. Shannon just cruise control. Just like that though, he's gonna open things up a little bit, get to the edge of that tire now, working that brake, cranking up the speed, let's go. Planting that foot, nice step spin, yeah, buddy. The motorcycle wheelies in college, so it's been about 10 years now we've been in business as Shannon cranking these nice sit-down circles, gleaming in that Arizona sun. Get back up in the saddle, put in the hole, he's clutching it up. Let's see what he's got. Shan showing you he can put this thing both directions, incredibly difficult, defying physics right there, grabbing the clutch and brakes, going back now to the other side. Oh man, doing the figure eights, making it look just too easy. Yeah, buddy. All right, Shan said it's time for back on the wheelie. Let's see if we're gonna go airborne here. What we got? Scraping it, throwing the sparks right there, lighting this place up. That one was still burning there. Shannon going all the way to 12 o'clock. Oh man, gotta love a good 12 scraper. Let's see it. Shannon jumping through the handlebars, flying high. Yeah, buddy, we like to call that the 50-50 jump. Shannon going through the handlebars. But folks, let's make some more noise for him. I don't think he's done yet. Come on, Arizona. Shannon sitting up on that gas tank right now, bending it to the edge of the tire. No control of that bike with his legs. We like to call this the 50-50 wheelie. Oh man, he is fired up, Arizona. Oh yeah, this is one of my favorites. We might not be by the ocean, but folks, we're going surfing. Check him out. Shan, the man up on the top level. Give him a hey, how you doing as he comes on by. Let's go, using that shoe, steering wherever he wants, dipping it into turn 1. Let's go. Nice tight circle this time, showing you he can put that machine anywhere that he wants, standing up, riding that Yamaha wave.
Alright, so we're just getting ready to leave GO AZ. Where we watched the stunt show. Somebody's getting their bike washed.